Welcome, today in front of me your Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. Now scroll a little bit more down, and if the developer options, if they are activated on your device, you will find here the developer options section. So just click here, and now just to hide them you should click on the ones on the switcher, and now as you can see all of the options they are blocked, and now one will go back into the settings section and we'll go back to the additional settings. We can see that developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.